Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2012 Focus SE in sterling grey metallic. It has black cloth interior, seating for 4 doors and a hatch, and it has a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's a front-wheel drive, and it also has heated seats. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and your fog lights are here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it you have your dash controls, cruise control, and media with volume. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see your odometer reading and any important messages, and you also have a menu that you can toggle through. Trip 1, Trip 2, information, settings, and these all have submenus. In the center you're seeing your display screen. It also has the time and your media, which is AM, FM, and you also have a CD player located there, and there's your controls located there, and your locks, hazard lights. Down below, your AC and max AC, that's your fan, your front defrost. You have an automatic shifter, emergency parking brakes beside the driver, and a couple of cup holders. You also have heated seats, and you're seeing those little seats there for driver and passenger, and a 12-volt. And then you can unclip your armrest, and there's a place to put things in there and close it up. You have a glove compartment off to the side, manually dimming rear view mirror, and in the center you have a dome light as well. There's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. In the back you've got a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and when you're ready to open up the hatch you can release it by simply double clicking your fob. Makes it easier to get in. You simply put your hand underneath the Ford badge, that's where the little handle is, and up it comes. Inside, nice and roomy in the hatch area and nicely carpeted. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. The door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. So the button is right at the top of the seat here. You just push and it'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area. There's also a little seatbelt minder off on the side, and that just keeps your seatbelt out of the way. And there's also anchors on the back of the seat to be able to tether baby seats. And then when you want the seat back up, simply give it a push and it's in the upright position. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and up above there's hooks and dome lighting. Vehicles of flex fuel, and you have passenger side Capless easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.